Ready to slide into your new house? Come take a look at this one.
A lot of favorites in this house, but I think my top favorite is the kitchen. I love the blonde cabinets on the dark backsplash. I love the quartz countertops, the gas stove, the Frigidaire appliances, the California style kitchen. It is just beautiful. Open concept, very cozy. Primary bedroom is so cute and so big. Tons of space, tons of light. I love these big windows. I love the fact that you have this wonderful view of the water. So peaceful, very well kept. Primary bathroom is beautiful, has double sinks, vanity sitting area. Absolutely love the soaker tub and the walk-in shower. It's just a great little spot. Gorgeous back patio, beautiful view of the pond.